So today we will start chapter number 4 and chapter name is HTML recap. Means हम HTML के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Okay. First of all, tell me the full form for HTML. Who knows the full form for HTML? HTML stands for everyone. Hypertext Markup Language. Okay. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Not visible. Hypertext Markup Language. Okay, so today we are going to learn about HTML, that is your chapter number 4. Okay students, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So HTML or Hypertext Markup Language is a computer language that describes the structure of web pages and used to mark up different portion of a document. It was originally developed by Tim Berners-Lee. So this is a thing you have to remember, developed by Tim Berners-Lee and stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Next we are having HTML tags. So whatever we do in HTML, we have to write some tags for each and everything. Okay, so HTML tags are used to specify the appearance of different parts of a web page in a web browser. HTML tags begin and end with this angular brackets respectively. So जो भी आप tags लिखते हो with the help of these brackets only. Okay, so everything we have to write with the help of these brackets. Okay, and whatever written here, like if you are using P for paragraph, so this is called tags in HTML. So two types of HTML tags are container tag and empty tag. So we are having two types of HTML tag. One is container tag and another is empty tag. Now what is the meaning of this? The container tag are the HTML tags that include both opening and closing. Means आपने जो टैग्स लिखे हैं उसको स्टार्ट भी किया है, उसको बंद भी करना पड़ेगा. अगर आप बंद नहीं करोगे then it will not work. So those tags are called container tag and one which are where there is no need of closing them, that are called empty tag. For example, B, hello B is a container tag. The HTML tags have only opening tag are called empty tags. Example, break base. So we are having two types of HTML tags. Okay. So one we are having container tag or another we are having empty tag. Is it clear to all of you? So what is the meaning of container tag? Suppose you have taken a tag bold. आपने इसको क्या किया, ओपन किया, इसको हम बोलते हैं ओपनिंग टैग. ओके, एंड देन यू हैव राइट समथिंग हेयर, और फिर आपने इसको क्या किया, यूजिंग दिस स्लैश. ओके, आपने इसको क्लोज किया. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड क्लोजिंग टैग. तो जिन टैग में आपका ओपनिंग और क्लोजिंग दोनों रहता है, व्हाट हैपेंड, वन सेकेंड. So this is called closing tag. तो जिन टैग्स के साथ ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग रहता है, those tags are called container tag. Clear? And the one where you are having only opening tag, those tags are called empty tag. Means उनको close नहीं करना पड़ता. You just have to write like this, BR. That's it. ओके, जैसे आपने BR लिखा वो वर्क करेगा, आपको उसको वापस से ऐसे स्लैश लगा के बंद नहीं करना. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड एम्प्टी टैग. जिसमें ओपन और क्लोज दोनों है, दैट इज कंटेनर. और जिसमें ओनली ओपनिंग टैग है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एम्प्टी टैग. क्लियर? ओके, सो नेक्स्ट information. HTML5 is the latest version of HTML. So right now latest version of HTML is HTML5. Next we are having syntax. HTML syntax. Syntax क्या होता है कि आप किसी लैंग्वेज में किसी भी चीज को किस फॉर्म में लिखोगे, ठीक है, दैट इज कॉल्ड सिंटैक्स इन एनी लैंग्वेज. सो हियर HTML syntax is tag name, content and then tag name. मीन्स आपने कोई टैग ओपन किया, फिर आपको उसको उसके बीच में क्या लिखना है. जैसे कि आपको किसी वर्ड को बोल्ड में लिखना है, तो बोल्ड में लिखने के लिए हमारे पास टैग होता है बी. ओके, तो हमने क्या किया, ओपन किया इसको यूजिंग बी टैग. सपोज आपने लिखा अपना नेम आर्यन, आपको आर्यन को डिस्प्ले कराना है आपके वेब पेज पे. सो दिस इज द सिंटैक्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टैग नेम, then whatever you want to write that text, and then closing tag. So this is called syntax. So in this way you have to use HTML tags, and this is an example of container tag. Why container tag? Because here we are having opening and closing, both tags we are having, that's why it's called container tag. Okay. Next, here tag name is the name of any HTML tag and the content is the actual text that is displayed by the browser. And one more thing you have to remember, whatever you are writing in HTML, output will be on browser only, because we are creating web pages. Web pages means आप नेट पे जो भी पेजेस देखते हो ना, all those pages are created with the help of HTML. So basic जो उनका डिजाइन राइटिंग पार्ट होता है, डिजाइनिंग स्केलेटन होता है, all those web pages जो भी आप गूगल देखते हो, जितनी भी आप वेबसाइट देखते हो ना नेट पे, सब किस में डिजाइन की गई है, HTML में. ओके, तो उनका जो बेसिक कोड होता है उनमें क्या आना चाहिए, क्या कंटेंट रहना चाहिए, कलर और डिजाइन ही नहीं, बट बेसिक आपको उस वेब पे क्या डॉक्यूमेंट्स डालने हैं, क्या कंटेंट डालने हैं, वो सब हम किसकी हेल्प से डाल सकते हैं, विद द हेल्प ऑफ HTML ओनली. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वी आर हैविंग creating an HTML document. So today you all will learn how we can create an HTML document. So with the help of Notepad or any एडिटर. एडिटर क्या होता है, जिसमें आप अपना कंटेंट लिखते हो. सो नोटपैड आपका एक बेसिक एडिटर है, टेक्स्ट एडिटर बोलते हैं, जिसमें आप अपना कंटेंट लिखोगे, अपना वेब पेज क्रिएट करोगे. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ नोटपैड यू कैन इम्प्लीमेंट HTML. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. HTML documents can be created and edited using by an text editor such as Notepad or Dreamweaver. So we are having different kinds of editor available in the market. So whatever you like, you can go with that. Okay. So but right now we will practice with the help of Notepad, because everyone is having Notepad at their PCs or laptop by default. Okay, so that's why we will practice with the notepad only. Now, as a beginner, it is good to use notepad for Windows. So you all are beginner. So for us, notepad is better to learn. Next, HTML documents are saved with the help of either .htm or .html extension. Now, what is the meaning of this extension? Whenever you are creating any document in notepad, that document you have to save with the help of .htm or .html, otherwise it will not create a web page. तो अगर आप किसी को भी web page बनाना चाहते हो, you have to save that document with .html extension. Now the HTML document can be viewed in web browser. Okay, so जो भी इसका आउटपुट होगा किस में भी होगा, web browser में. Now see, we are having different elements. Elements क्या होते हैं? Means आपको एक वेब पेज बनाने के लिए जो जो required है, all those things are known as element. Students, stop sending claps and any kind of emojis during your live class. Concentrate on your class only. Okay? Okay, students? Next, HTML documents are made up of HTML elements, and HTML element is everything from the opening tag to closing tag. Means आप एक tag लिख रहे हो. This is the example given here. So this is your paragraph tag. अगर आपको कुछ paragraph लिखना है, for that we are having P as an paragraph tag. आपने क्या किया? You have used opening tag. फिर आपने उसमें जो भी कंटेंट लिखना है, that content is called HTML element. Next, a paragraph क्या है? आपका container tag है. और अगर we are using container tag, this is mandatory to close that tag. Open and close both are mandatory, otherwise it will not work. Next example, P, this is a paragraph and close. So now we will create a very basic HTML page. Okay, first of all, what you have to do? You have to open Notepad. Okay, and how you can open Notepad in your system? In search bar, write Notepad. Okay, so this is the Notepad we have opened. Now what we have to do? We will create an HTML page. How we can create? First of all, we have to include HTML tag. Why it's not taking this one? So I will not be able to this thing on this screen. So I will show you creating web document with the help of system. Okay, so I will share a screen. Then you all will be able to see. So what we have to do? First of all, we will write here Notepad. Siddharth, note down the names whoever is creating disturbance. Okay. Then after this class, just send name to your class teacher. Okay. Write their names and send the content to your class teacher. Now, what we have to do? Open your Notepad.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
No, you can just see it. Okay. Just have a look first. Then you can practice after this class. So what we have to do? We have open Notepad. We will write here. Himanshu, why you are sending annotation request? What do you want to do? Okay. So we have written HTML. Now we will write a head for heading tag. Okay. In head we will write first Daksh, I am expelling you from this class. Why you are sending a lot of annotation? If you don't want to study, no need to join your live class. Okay, so head, title, and then we will include a paragraph. So if I need to write paragraph, what I need to do? Write P, and whatever you want to write, you can write here. My name is Daksh, and I am creating, and I am disturbing whole class. Is it right, student? Okay, so now we have to close paragraph tag, and then this tag we have open HTML. Okay, or one tag we can also include body tag. And last we will close this HTML page. Now what we have to do, we will save this page. And how we have to save that? With .html. So write the name. Suppose I am taking here hello, and write here .html or HTML, whatever you like, you can write that thing. Now we will move to the desktop, and this is the web page we have created. Just click on this and you all will be able to see the output. See, this is the output. My name is Daksh and I am disturbing the whole class. Okay? Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Any
Yes,
doubts,
ma'am.
anyone?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay.
No.
Okay, so in this way, you can create your web pages. Now, we will continue with the next topic. Okay, so some HTML elements are IMG for image, BR for break, HR for horizontal, and do not need a closing tag. So ये कुछ ऐसे टैग है जिनमें closing tag की requirement नहीं होती, only opening tag is required. They are called empty or void. इनको हम empty या फिर void elements भी बोलते हैं. HTML elements can be nested. Nested means एक के अंदर दूसरा tag भी आप लगा सकते हो. This is called nesting. This means an HTML elements can contain other elements. Next, common HTML elements. First, we are having doc type declaration, means what kind of document you are going to create. That is your doc type tag. Doc type declaration is the statement in any HTML document. It defines the document type and HTML version. Next, we are having HTML element. HTML element is the root element of an HTML document that acts as a कंटेनर फॉर ऑल एलिमेंट्स. मीन्स आप जो भी क्रिएट करते हो, फर्स्ट टैग हमने क्या लिखा था अभी एग्जांपल में? HTML. तो जितना भी आप काम करोगे किस में करोगे? विद इन HTML. मीन्स आपको जो भी बनाना है, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू राइट HTML, एंड जो भी आपने काम किया एट लास्ट यू हैव टू राइट HTML. मीन्स each and everything will be in this tag only. HTML tag only. Okay. Next, head. Head element contain the elements which do not show up on a web page. Example, the document title. So right now we have taken an example. In that example, we have taken HTML tag, head tag, title tag, and body tag. Okay. Next, title element. Title element specifies the title of an HTML document. Body element. Body element contains all visible page content such as text, heading, paragraph, hyperlinks, images, list, table, etc. So right now in our example we have taken this paragraph tag for creating paragraph. Next, HTML attributes. Now what is the meaning of attributes? Yes, student, anyone? Meaning of attribute? Okay, so we will cover this topic in next class. Now tell me if anyone is having any kind